Did you know a man murdered his entire family, then lived a normal life for 18 years before anyone caught him? November 1971. John List, a quiet accountant from New Jersey, shot his wife, his mother, and his 3 children inside their family home. Then he turned on the classical music radio station, locked the doors, and walked away. By the time anyone found the bodies, he had been gone for weeks. List built himself a new life from scratch, a new name, a new state, a new wife. He joined a church and became an elder. His neighbors described him as kind, calm, and ordinary. He had simply become someone else. For nearly 2 decades, he was invisible. Then in 1989, America's Most Wanted aired a forensic clay sculpture showing exactly how List would look after all those years of aging. 11 days later, a neighbor in Virginia called the tip line. The quiet, respected church elder was John List. He had rebuilt the exact same life he once destroyed, and that life is what gave him away.